Welcome to our tutorial on how to open a Schwab checking account. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to set up your account quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, visit the Charles Schwab website. On the homepage, look for the Banking section in the menu. Click on it, then select Checking Accounts from the drop-down list. You will see an overview of the account features. Take a moment to read through the benefits, such as no monthly fees and unlimited ATM fee reimbursements. Once you are ready, click on the Open an Account button. Next, you will be asked to provide some personal information, including your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Make sure that all the information you enter is accurate. After that, you will be prompted to create a username and password for your online account. This will allow you to manage your checking account conveniently. Finally, review your application to ensure that all the details are correct. Once you are satisfied, submit your application. You should receive confirmation of your new account within a few days. Congratulations, you are now ready to enjoy the benefits of your Schwab checking account. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to open a Schwab checking account.